Over 50 years, I've driven something like 1.5 million kilometers. And it's to all four corners of the province.
Rodney's true legacy is that he has personally touched every part of this province. The Coquihalla Highway System, the Sea to Sky Highway,
The Richmond East-West Connector, Okanagan Highway, Trans-Canada Highway. There's nothing better than over many years to be involved with all the people to do the work together.
Rodney that actually worked on the tools as an engineer in training and built roads, maintained roads, managed districts.
Lots going on here today. Got the grader spreading the gravel.
He's our go-to guy. He's the person in the ministry that you just say Rodney, and everyone knows who it is.
Good morning, everyone. How we doing? How's our activity today?
Cycles to work every day. Loves his red apples.
I'm New York Ambrosia apple. Just love eating these apples every morning and getting going.
With Rodney's vast knowledge of engineering and construction, he's able to bring the various parties together when things are challenging.
It's vital to me to stress the importance of doing things with quality, being honest, being truthful, and being sincere.
He stands up for himself, he stands up for the ministry, he stands up for the province. He is a true public servant in that he is looking out for the good of British Columbia.
He's been there writing the contracts that we use today. He's the one that brought that all together, whether it's our standard specifications, our templates for major works contracts.
We're talking about a very complex document, thousands of pages of technical language that works together to ensure that projects are being completed on time and on budget, but also that the quality of the work is the best possible. That framework has been developed over the last 30 plus years. Rodney has been there all along.
Obviously, I spend a lot of time at work. Don't always admit to that. I just love coming home to see my wife and give her a great big hug. We've been married 39 years and raised 2 children. We love doing the gardening together. It's therapy.
What I really have learned to appreciate and respect with Rodney is his true care and passion for the ministry. He's always more than willing and open to share his wisdom and experience to make sure that we're going in the right direction.
What I'm trying to do is to give other people the opportunity to have the benefit of the experience I've had. If the experience I have provided has made our people be able to do really good work and to be able to work with others in the most respectful and honest way possible, it makes me proud of what I've been able to contribute.